What if the biggest mistake you can make with your next PC build is its size? For the last month I've built not one not two but 5 completely different high-performance systems inside the most popular Mini-ITX cases on the market, and what I found will shock you. One case had a fatal flaw I never expected, while another was an absolute masterpiece of engineering. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly which tiny case is the perfect fit for your powerful components and which one you should avoid at all costs. Starting at number 1. SilverStone Sugo 14. What impressive capacity to house high-performance components in a compact, affordable chassis? The Sugo 14 can do all that. Gather up your full-size ATX power supply, large graphics card, and even up to a 240mm liquid cooler. You'll have to plan out your assembly carefully, especially if you're a beginner PC builder. But the $109.99 MSRP, you may find it even cheaper on sale, and the ability to accommodate some full-size parts, which tend to be cheaper, make this a strong choice for building a powerful system that's both compact and a carefully constructed value. It even has a seldom-seen 5.25-inch bay, if you're an optical drive holdout, savers and savvy builders. If you're someone who values flexibility in your build and needs a case that can accommodate high-end components, this case is a very good choice. It's particularly well suited for medium experience and expert DIYers seeking to maximize power and storage, and their money, within a small form factor. Number 2. Lian Li A4-H2O. Why is Lian Li's A4-H2O is our favorite Mini-ITX case for gamers? Because it can host some serious power in a pint-sized package. At just 11 liters, it's tiny, but don't let that fool you. This clever chassis, born of a collab with boutique maker GamingPC, fits triple-slot GPUs and 240mm liquid coolers with smart internal layout and solid airflow. Its design supports high-performance gaming parts while staying under $150, even with the included PCIe 4.0 riser. Tight tolerances mean planning is key, but get the build right, and you'll have a stunning, compact gaming rig that punches way above its size. And this case's price. This case is perfect for gamers who want a powerful Mini-ITX build without compromising on performance or GPU size. If you value great cooling and the ability to fit high-end components in a small, if not necessarily the smallest, form factor, this Lian Li is an ideal choice. It's best for users who enjoy fine-tuning builds and aren't afraid of careful part selection and painstaking install, especially around cooling and cable management. Put in the effort, though, and enthusiasts who appreciate boutique-style designs without the boutique price will find the A4-H2O a sleek, capable platform for a compact, no-compromise gaming machine. Number 3. Corsair 2000D RGB Airflow. Got not much desk, but plenty of airspace above it? Corsair's 2000D RGB Airflow gets you exceptional cooling performance that fits on a super compact patch. Despite that small footprint, it lets you stuff in a large radiator and a big GPU, all while keeping the components cool under load. The thoughtful design, including slim RGB fans, an ARGB controller, and a design that enables vertical GPU installation without a riser cable, makes it a standout for high-performance, small-form-factor builds. Plus, if you're into Corsair's ICUE component ecosystem, an ICUE version of this case has got you covered. This case is ideal for users who want to build a high-performance, compact PC without compromising on cooling efficiency or aesthetics. It's perfect for enthusiasts who value advanced cooling but just don't have the space for a tower and are willing to invest in a premium case with integrated RGB features. Note, it's worth the spend only if you have the high-end parts to fill it and you appreciate a stylish, RGB-lit setup. But if that's you, the 2000D RGB Airflow will light your fire. Number 4. Streacom DA2 V2. It's a tad pricey, but we chose Streacom's DA2 V2 as a top pick for its exceptional balance of form, function, and flexibility. The case offers a sleek, minimalist design, and the versatile interior space, based on a unique configurable rail system, supports a wide range of hardware configurations. A choice of perforated metal, included, or glass, optional. Side panels allows for the most effective cooling for powerful components, or a slick transparent look. It's your choice. Plus, the premium aluminum build quality and ease of assembly contribute to its standout status. The DA2 V2 can even take a full-size ATX PSU if you configure the rails in certain ways and pick the right parts. Streacom also offers accessories such as alternate front panel port kits and a vertical GPU mount. The DA2 V2 is ideal for users who prioritize both aesthetic appeal and flexibility in their builds. If you enjoy customizing and rearranging the interior of your PC without compromising on a clean, minimalist look, this case is for you. Enthusiasts who want high-end components in a high-quality small form factor chassis, step right up. Number 5. InWin B1. Got a Mini-ITX motherboard and mean to rely on the CPU's integrated graphics? The B1 delivers exceptional value and a unique, space-age design at a low price. Its compact, oval shape and smoked glass top not only add distinctive visual appeal but also cleverly hide the clutter inside. The inclusion of a 200-watt 80-plus gold power supply further enhances its value, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious builders. Despite that lack of space for any PCI Express add-on cards, the B1 stands out as a stylish, functional choice if you don't need dedicated graphics hardware and are building a low-wattage basic PC for productivity work or media streaming. The B1 is best suited for users looking to build a minimalist, media-centric, compact PC that they won't want to hide. Its design makes it ideal for those who prioritize aesthetics and intend to put this PC in a prominent spot on a desk or on a shelf in a media cabinet. This case is perfect for those building a light-duty PC or a media center where integrated graphics will suffice, and who appreciate a sleek, modern look at an accessible price. So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to build small. The power to choose is now in your hands. Ready to start your own tiny powerhouse build? Every single case, cooler, and component I used is linked in the description below. Check them out. Did this save you hours of research? Then smash that like button. It truly helps us out. If you know a fellow builder who's thinking of going small, share this video with them right now. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're pushing the limits. We're going to see if we can fit an RTX 5090 into a case smaller than a textbook. You won't believe if it's possible.